dulo, no? Record everything, no?
गाड़ी घुमा के उसको बस ला, उसको गाड़ी में उठा लेता हूँ जाके दे।
CCTV, no?
Aywa, Kabayan? No,
This one? No, no, no.
not Kabayan.
This guy is exploring the...
Yeah.
praying time. Don't fall. Mobile.
आजा।
वो किसी के वेट में है।
वेट करे, किसी वेटिंग।
See?
ये वो दूसरी है ना, टैक्सी जाने वाली।
What happened to this one?
बारिश स्टार्ट हुआ है कि शीशे पे पहले से है?
अरे भाई फुल रेन।
Full rain, huh? That's why.
ये स्टार्ट हो गया है।
Now raining, huh?
I will rain now. It will rain. Better run quick.
Yeah. Good things.
After you cannot run.
Yeah. After this full of water, no?
After you go walk. Yeah. Cannot run, huh? Remove the clothes and go. Everything. Yeah.
What's that?
All garbage. Too much air no that time.
Yeah, yeah. See, water here.
How can you
Again,
raise the
full of water
voice?
there.
Hey, brother.
See?
Aywa.
पानी है ना?
This is Putupanina is coming there. Open the this all the things are there, no?
Yeah, pupu water, no?
Yeah. This is the way.
Sayang.
Charger too much raining. I call charger. How about that? Too much raining, Zaki. That's why I wake up now. Too much raining there.
Where? किधर?
शारजा में. Charis call किया ना?
Charis उधर है?
हाँ.
शारजा में रहती है?
शारजा में. अल्लाह
Yeah.
हवा बहुत है.
Strong wind, no? And
That's why
rain.
she called me 2 o'clock. Zaki, where are you? I'm here. Where is the guys? They're working. They're raining. Yeah, now started. For here also too much raining. Oh. Just call them, check. Yeah, we'll call them.
Yeah, but beautiful weather, no brother? I have to enjoy.
Yeah, magnet backside.
No,
Why no bala nothing?
no problem. It's already there.
But he's not answering now. Message करो जवाब नहीं देता क्या?
Of course, you miss because every time you making joking, then after he's not talking.
But he's talking with me. Na? You with you not talking.
Suddenly, if I ask why, then only he shocked like this, he saw me like this. After nothing.
Thinking maybe he said something wrong.
I will leave this one. I'll take the pickup. Kali wali.
Ah, they close the road, no? See, they put
Before
barrier,
close.
no? Before close.
Before 2 months, that's why they closed.
Ah,
Maybe,
nilagyan ng barrier.
maybe water here, no? Okay, let's see. Let's check.
नहीं अभी इन्होंने कुछ ना कुछ किया होगा पता है वो शेख मोहम्मद ने बहुत ज्यादा इनको बोला है
सब ओपन कर हाँ ये सब ओपन किया पूरा पानी गया देखो
There?
हाँ
See,
और बारिश ठीक हुआ है यार
Yeah, they open.
जबरदस्त में क्या बोला फुल रेन दैट टाइम 2 o'clock
Yeah, 2 o'clock, no? Now, Bersha flooded again.
Bakit? Tuloy naman ang ano natin.
See, broken.
See, you have to try it.
Tuloy yan.
Disaster naman eh.
Oh, tuloy yan.
Oh, nakidlat to.
Lightning, no?
See, all
See, all
fell down. See,
fell down, no?
Full rain, bro. 2 o'clock. My van is like the dancing.
Shaking.
I am sitting inside. I am scared. What I will do?
Yeah, you just sit, no?
Van is shaking.
don't run, huh?
That time I was.
Van is shaking, it's okay. Not be shaken the things.
Yeah.
It's a problem.
See, strong wind, no? You can see, huh?
You know, I saw one video Indian guy. He go for interview because he apply like accountant.
Okay.
Then what the accountant should be smart in mathematics, right?
Yeah.
Numbering. Then he go to the manager. He ask some question. Then he count from the finger very fast. Very fast.
Ah, yeah.
Then the manager said, don't use your finger. Put your hands inside your pocket. Then, what he do? What you are doing here? He thinking. You use your hand inside the pocket, no? Make like this.
Still counting, no?
Oh, what's the manager?
Indian counting, no?
The manager thinking he make so he count only like this. After he know the answer very fast. Then the manager said, don't use your finger. Put your hands inside your pocket. Then tell me the answer.
Good work is
Then after
finished.
his stomach shaking.
No work pending finished.
Still have skid
Maybe
back.
he's too much drinking.
And,
This why.
No, he used.
नहीं वो काउंटिंग करता था ना
We have one pending.
Yes,
Jab-
question.
बोला
Jab-
ना
He
Jab-
used
survey.
hands inside the
But
pocket.
heavy rain will
Yeah.
become heavy again. Huh?
they are just making content like that.
See, there flood.
Also
Inside.
one guy,
Flooded.
he go in the Bacala. He buy something, then after he ask the guy, X do. Then the one guy he asked what he said. Then he repeat, kiss me bola now. After he kissed the guy, why you kiss me? You said, nah, I will give you kiss.
See, strong wind.
Yeah, full rain. 2 o'clock, full rain.
But one video I sent you now.
Suwaga this guy. I didn't
See, broken.
Warning my neighbors.
What is your name?
Johnny!
Fuck you, Johnny.
What's your name? Ezekiel!
नल पूरा खोल के रखा है ना पानी में.
Now he had little water.
Your drainage all they open. Before last time.
Wala nang pasok siguro ngayon.
Naka-declare na.
Hmm. See, water.
Ano na ba ngayon? Miyerkules?
Tubig na nga. Yan po ang ano dito ngayon, guys. So much rain.
Ay, matubig na.
See there?
Yeah, there, flood. Only here.
Dito po talagang pahati.
Dito, pag lumakas pa lalo yan.
Hindi ko makapunta dito.
Lubog talaga to. Umuulan na naman po.
Malakas.
ng hangin, no? Problem is kito ba, baka pag bumaha na naman doon, wala na namang kuryente doon. Kabubukas lang. Oo.
Hindi pa nakakabawi.
Laki-laki na.
Matubig agad yung masistap. Nakasakit na ka.
Tinatamaan na naman ng ano, Burj Khalifa niyan. Yun ang pinakamataas dito eh.
Ayan o.
Baka. Sana maganda ang view. Papauwiin muna tayo niya bago lumakas.
Baba yun. Sarap siguro yung biyahe ng probinsya.
Oo,
May ganito lang ako sa list.
okay ka na niyan. Lumalakas. Lumalakas ang ulan.
Sakir,
Oh.
remove the pickup, then I will park this one.
Yeah, I'm just planning that only.
Go directly there.
Yeah.
Extra parking, yeah.
So direct to Pagkarapan. See, strong wind ah.
Yeah.
You can feel it. Strong wind. Bali no. Hindi na makita Burj Khalifa. Nasa tago. Burj Khalifa, cannot see, no?
Where is the Burj Khalifa? I cannot see.
Yeah.
Maybe gone?
Yeah.
Maybe gone?
They put this big umbrella. No? Ito na, tagahigop. Oh. Ready na.
Always like this truck ready, ah?
Yeah, they're giving government slip, no?
Ah.
They will give the payment
Yeah.
because they're helping the Dubai municipality.
Yeah. All private company. No?
How the government trucks, how many you cannot manage, no?
Yeah, they need private. No?
See now, Old Paseo going to business way, the free bus.
That's all.
From Old Paseo to business way.
Oh,
Free bus. You know the
Yeah.
tourist bus?
Yeah.
The white one?
they rent.
Yeah, the free bus.
Yeah, that one free.
Going where?
Business way.
Because-
Because metro from business way start, no?
Business bay to?
There are.
Because on Pasig is still closed.
Old Paseo closed, Erikoti closed. Where is the people? How they will go to business way? There are side. Only they are giving to business way only. Our Satwa backside too much bus, the white bus.
No,
The parking all cover.
government will pay.
See, man dancing. Here too much.
Slowly, yeah.
Hawa.
Hawa.
Like you see the trading, see?
Yeah, strong rain. No? Heavy rain.
Pick up little power. This is like a matchbox.
Yeah, if the wind hit this, it will flip. no?
Yeah.
Strong wind.
Because this one is high.
Yeah. If the pickup good.
I didn't take video. I was just the seat, no? I realized. Like this. And
Better you
so
record.
what happened? Then I changed the parking other side because all air coming like this,
Yeah.
beating.
Hmm. Lakas na ng ulan. Ulan. Yan, paghihigop ng tubig.
Ganda na yung mga maghihigop po. Gusto na yan.
Pwesto na sila.
Nakahigop ng tae. Daming tae yan.
Oo, laki niyan eh. Oh. Pupo na.